Oh, you think you're safe online? That your password, Fluffy123, and your monthly antivirus update are keeping the digital wolves at bay? That's adorable. Meanwhile, Bleach Cyber is out here doing grown-up cybersecurity and, trust me, it's not your average turn-on-to, factor and prey situation. Bleach doesn't wait for hackers to knock. It kicks the door open on your digital life, scans everything you've connected, email, cloud, Slack, your third-party apps you forgot even existed, and says, here's what's broken, here's how to fix it, you're welcome. But it's not just diagnostics. Oh no. The Bleach Sweeper is like a Roomba on steroids. It doesn't just clean, it hunts, finds shady stuff, blocks it in real time, and keeps your digital house spotless without bothering you for permission every 5 seconds. They even give you a to-do list, so Clear Your Dog could probably follow it. Fix this setting, update that permission, remove that app you installed in 2016 to track your steps but forgot about. The whole thing is automated, guided, elegant, and it actually works. And the best part? Bleach Cyber doesn't speak in nerd. It's not just for tech brothers or CISOs. It's for small business owners, freelancers, and anyone who wants military-grade protection without the military-grade headache. Even your mom could lock down her inbox like a pro. So while the rest of the internet is crossing its fingers and hoping hackers have a heart, you're booking a demo with Bleach Cyber because praying is not a cybersecurity strategy, but Bleach definitely is.